What's up, guys? Doing another video outside. This is the QSP Penguin titanium frag flipper. I'm actually going to put this one away. I'm going to show you the blue because I love the blue. Frame lock, titanium frag pattern, 154 cm blade, Warncliffe 3-inch, sleek, slim, great action, just fun to play with. A lot of sleek, slim knives today. So we just got these in. They'll probably go quick. We're gonna get more though, guys, so don't panic. But this is the QSP Penguin, EKNIVES.com. I like doing these videos outside now because A, it's not cold, and B, you just get a better look at them. I like the daylight. The lighting out here is much better than my studio, which we are working on. So EKNIVES.com, guys, 423-525-9477.